Welcome back to another video of Pluto's Knowledge. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start your crypto research. First off, finding promising cryptos. Almost everywhere on social media you can find promising cryptos. The most popular ones are coinmarketcap and coingecko to start your crypto research. Um, to get to know other coins, you can also Google or search on YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Reddit, or even Facebook. You even have Facebook groups where they talk about cryptos. Anyway, let's say you have a coin, promising coin. Next, what you want to do is starting your research. The first thing you should do is you want to find out in which niche is your coin. Is it a meme coin, gambling coin, energy coin, Gamefi coin, or etc. When you have found your niche, the next thing is how popular is that specific niche? How big is the market? And how are the competitors doing? Thirdly, tokenomics. Is the coin inflationary or deflationary? And this is very important because when you buy a coin, you want to know, are the developers printing that coin? Or are they burning the coin? Meaning, are they throwing some coins away? Four, finally, when these three are all looking good, we're going to take a deeper dive. We're going to look at who are the founders? Do they have a good track record? Is the coin or website audited? Have they ever been hacked? Etc. This can range from anything. Um, Finally, always take profits. Set goals to sell or take profits. Because 99.9% of all projects will fail. The wrong one. Okay. Let's take PancakeSwap as an example. Why PancakeSwap? Because PancakeSwap is the platform to go to when you want to buy a new coin. Let's say meme coins is specifically used for coins that are not listed on popular exchanges like Binance, FTX, KuCoin, you name it. So when the coin first gets listed, you can find it on PancakeSwap, and anyone can make a coin and just list it on PancakeSwap, by the way. Okay, so first off, let's just take a quick glance on these things here. First off, you can see it's a very big market cap. You can see there's a lot of money locked in this protocol. The market cap to total value lock ratio, meaning that they look at what is the market value, the market capitalization of PancakeSwap, and divided by the total value locked. So this is the amount of money that is locked up on this website. If you go to the earn section, here you can deposit specific coins and you can earn yield on them. And all that money combined is $4.2 billion. And they're also ranked 55 of all the coins listed on CoinMarketCap. Okay, let's take our blueprint. First off, we have already found our coin, that is PancakeSwap. Cake coin, actually, cake. Next, research the niche. How are we going to do that? Here, you can click on the tags, view all. Here you can see the different categories, the different niches that it's specialized in. The first off is, let's just click one of them. The first off is I already opened these four. First off is, let's look at yield. We can see that PancakeSwap is third compared to all of them. And we can also see the total market cap is $18 billion. And the trading volume, we can see that the crypto market is not doing so well. Next off, you can see DeFi, very big market, $127 billion trading volume. And we can see this rank 11th. Next up, decentralized exchange tokens, 25 billion, and is ranked third. And for AMM, we can see it's 14 billion and it is second. Okay. Next off. So we have looked at the research, the niche. So the coin has different niches, and we've already looked at the popularity of that one and how big the market is. So it's very important to know how big the market is, and we don't want to buy a coin that's in not a very popular market, or you can invest in such a market, but of course, high risk is very risky, of course. Now, let's look at how let's take another look at the market. Another important thing is to mention is that this coin is based on the Binance Smart Chain. And of course, you want to look at how the chain is doing. This website, DeFi Llama, here you can see the different blockchains. And PancakeSwap is based on the Binance Smart Chain and is currently number one. And as you can see, the Binance Smart Chain has not been performing so well. It's a little stable. But yeah, it's also important to compare it with other projects, but this is still number one. Okay. Next off, tokenomics. Is the coin or token inflationary or deflationary? Now we need to visit the website. If you visit the website, if you want to find out about the tokenomics, you need to click on documentation. When you click on documentation, you land on this page. Here you can read all about the project, specific things, but we are interested in tokenomics, cake tokenomics. Here you can find everything you need to know about what they're doing with the coin. So they are printing, let's say, 1.1 million, and the weekly burn or daily burn is almost 800,000, and so that leads to a net inflation of 364,000 cake per day. So this is very important. Now we're going to calculate how much the inflation is. So the daily inflation is 364,400 cake. Next, we need to find out what's the circulating supply. The circulating supply is this. So we copy paste this year. The yearly inflation is just this times 365, because we want to calculate the yearly emission, divided by the circulating supply. That leaves us with a inflation rate of 15.55%. So people who are just buying and hodling this, you need to watch out. But there is one bright side to this. That is when you have Kcoin, you can go to the website, you can deposit it in one of these two projects, and you'll earn a APY of 63.61%. So meaning for those who are stake their cake coin, they earn, let's say, 13% net. While people who are not staking, just hodling, they are losing 50% in the long run. But let's say the price remains the same, you always earn more. So yeah, that's how you do the quick calculation of the inflation rate. You just need to read the documentation and check things out. Okay, let's go back. And now we have done the tokenomics. Let's take a deeper dive. What do I mean by deeper dive? Deeper dive, I mean you need to look out for a lot of things. like who are the founders? Do they have a good track record? Has the website or coin been audited? Have they ever been hacked? And you name it. It all depends on the specific coin, of course. First off, let's check out who are the founders. You can just simply Google who are the founders of PancakeSwap, and you can see that it is founded by a group of anonymous developers in September 2020. And yeah, so the founders are anonymous, so that can be a red flag. But let's continue because we cannot check who the founders are and if they have any experience in this. Okay, they are anonymous. Oh, and the reason why they're anonymous is because a lot of people in DeFi prefer to be anonymous, just so for their own safety, etc. So you name it. Next, are they audited? When you go to PancakeSwap, you can see a little bottom here, audits. You can see they're audited by two companies, Certic and Slowmist. Let's just take a look at Certic. If you click here, you can see they have a pretty good security score. They had some issues, but all are resolved. And you can see some scores here. You can even see the sentiment analysis. And as of the time of making this video at 29th of January, you can see that people are quite positive and neutral, not really scared. And you can here see some other analytics, etc., etc., etc. But all in all, pretty good security score, so pretty safe. Have they ever been hacked? You can just Google that, did PancakeSwap get hacked? And here you can see that they have never been hacked, only their Twitter account has been hacked, but the smart contracts on the website has not been hacked. And only the front end of the website has been affected by this attack, but not the smart contracts, meaning the smart contracts are contracts that have influence over your money. Yeah, so this is finished. And finally, you need to set goals for yourself. It depends per person. If I buy now, when do I want to sell? Do I want to sell with 10% profit or 20% profit? Or what needs to happen for me to sell my funds? For example, if they get hacked or you name it. But do set goals for yourself. And when you buy, of course, take into account, are you a long-term or a short-term investor? If you're a long-term investor, I would recommend buy the coin and deposit on the website, on AutoCake, for example. The difference between manual cake and AutoCake is when you deposit on manual cake, the yield or the coins that you get, you earn, you need to manually restake them. You have to claim them and restake them, while AutoCake, as the name here suggests, they automatically restake your earnings. That's why this also has a higher APY. So yeah, keep that in mind. If you're short term, then you don't have to bother with this. If you just hold it for a couple of days, but if you just buy it and hodl it, just check it out. Of course, you can also just stake cake and earn other coins. As you can see, you can maybe stake it on this protocol, and you can earn a sweet APR of 120%. Of course, they have other projects as well, so you'll be earning that specific coin. So yeah, that basically sums up this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Bye.